So wiper blades, front wiper blades, mine not matching, but shouldn't matter. These are sorry, it is raining. These are spec to my car, A3 8V. So first we're going to put the wipers in white and service mode. So we'll just turn the car off and then hold down the stalk. And there we go, service mode. And then we should be able to just pull them off and then put the new ones on. Right, stop raining for a bit. So to get these off, you push down on this clip and then you push this bit up, and then the whole blade just slides out. Or should slide out. Like that. And there you go. Wipe the blade off. And then the new one just goes on there. You need to find out which clip looks the most similar and will fit in. This bit came off this one. This is like the normal hook type that would slot onto a hook type wiper blade. And I think that one is the most appropriate for this one. Okay, rear wiper blade install. Apologies, it's a bit cold. So, got a new wiper blade. Old one, whatever, I got it off Auto Dock. That's the size, I think. This is for the 8V, and we're just going to be unclipping it. Follow the instructions. So lift it up. There should be 2 clips and it should just pull out. Yeah, literally just pulls out. And then here's my new one, and then it goes in and just clicks. And I don't think it's directional, so. Easy as that. And done.